Section 1.2 Pronunciation Rules 1. There are 5 vowels in Spanish. A, I, U, E, O. In Spanish, it's A, I, U, E, O. The vowels are divided into 2 categories. Strong vowels A, E, O, and weak vowels U, E. The rest are consonants. 2. Pronunciation of Spanish words is based on the sound of the vowels. Consonants are used for beginning sounds or ending sounds. 3. Diphthongs need to be pronounced as one sound. For example, ya, iglesia, you, ciudad, ye, pie, yo, sucio, wa, cuatro, we, nuevo, we, druito, wo, quota, hoy, oigo, eu, deuda, ei, 6, ao, calça, ai, aire. Let's do some pronunciation practice. Please repeat after me. Cha, chi, chu, che, cho. Ga, si, gu, se, ko. Nga, chi, ngu, che, ngo. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Ya, yi, yu, ye, yo. Nia, ni, niu, nie, nio. Al, il, ul, el, ol. Gua, gi, ge, go. Wa, gi, ge, wo. Next part, we'll talk about dividing the syllables. See you in the next video.